Frosted Flakes are more than good. They're great! What's kicking, y'all? Kwikpanik here, and I'm wearing a Funko Pop shirt! And with this new format, you can't tell. So, we are doing a full case of, Ad-Icon Mystery Minis. And we have two of the Capsule Corp, yeah. For some reason, I thought it was supposed to be Core, like C-O-R-P. Anyway, we're doing two of the Capsule Core boxes. I'm looking for the metallic chase trunks, so I figured we would start with one of those. We would go into the case of Mystery Minis. I'm looking for the Fruit Brute. It's a 1 in 72, so we might not have all the luck in the world, but there's also a Green Giant that's metallic that you can only get in the Specialty Series version of those Mystery Minis. So we have a chance at that. So let's start with our boy Trunks. I'm feeling not as good as normal about this. It's 1 in 6 chase. They limited us to 2 boxes when I went in. So we only have the 2 chances. I guess if we don't get the chase in this one, in this video, I'll order some more and try to get it. I really want to pull it myself. I don't want to buy it from somebody else. I want the feeling of getting it myself. But here we go. Trunks is my favorite character in Dragon Ball Z, so getting the chase out of this would mean a whole bunch to me. So let's see what we can do. I know the other contents in this box already, and they're kind of eh. So we're really only here for the pop, and this box was like $32.90. So here we go. First one. Oh, the chase, really? Yes, sir. Check it out. Oh, I was not feeling good about this one. Okay, it paid off. I was like, man, I only got 2. This is gonna blow. Well, look at that. Trunks is my favorite character, so this made me pretty happy. I was a little bit scared because so the chick who helped me out, she's like super cool. I've known her for a long time because I go to this Hot Topic all the time, and there were 3 left. And she was grabbing the last 2, and one of them, the cellophane, was like super duper loose, and that was this one, right? Yeah, this was the loose cellophane one. I almost didn't want it. I'm glad I took it. So we got Chase in our first one. This is the other stuff that's in there. So they've been doing these interesting keychains. I kind of like the texture of them, and they're not as easy to destroy as the mini pop keychains. So we got Goku here, and I really like the new pose that they're using for him. We opened that t-shirt and pop bundle, and it has him in this pose, kind of, where he's got like one hand back, but he's doing like the Kamehameha in the other pop form. So that's interesting. I'll probably keep that. This pin, okay, so I've opened a whole bunch of Pokemon pin collections on the channel recently for Hidden Fates, and I was talking about how I really like collecting collectible pins. My goodness. And I need a good way to display them. So maybe if you guys only watch the pop content, there we go. Maybe you guys collect pins and you can tell me how you like to display these. I asked the Pokemon people. Maybe they'll know. Maybe the pop people know. Who knows? Maybe you're all the same people. But that's a really cool Shenron pin, so I'm pretty happy about that one. The last 2 items here, this is like a blow up. You know what? No, I'm not going to blow this up. That's dumb. That's dumb. No. Anyway. That's a 4-star Dragon Ball. And then we got some Master Roshi shades. These might replace my Ray-Bans, TBH. Hold on. You can't have a sticker. There's a sticker on it. You can't do that. Oh, UV 400 protection. I don't know if that's good. I don't know what standard protection is. Oh, that's definitely made for somebody with much... Ooh, you can see my ring light. You know what? We're going to wear these for the rest of this. We got the Chase Trunks, so I'm super duper happy. Let's get into this. Need a knife. Gonna cut open this box. This is case D. I know there's some people who care about cases. Like, there's case designations that are lettered out, and I think they have different chances for different minis depending on which case you get. So this is case D for anybody watching. Ooh, we can actually, look at that. We can actually display this. Not for this camera. Oh. The box isn't... Okay, the box already came open. Let's see. Hopefully, if I drop this all over the place, this is going to be a PR nightmare. I don't know why I care about PR. All right. Here we go. Dude, I might have to take a new thumbnail picture now that I have these glasses. So this is a full case. I can't, if I zoom out, let's see. Zoom out a little bit. Hopefully I don't capture the rest of my dumb desk. No, that's okay. So this is a full case. You're just gonna have to trust me. Let's get into these. I've never opened mystery minis for the channel. It's getting hard to see with these. Sorry, I can't see. I really would like to get Yummy Mummy and Fruit Brute. They're my favorite cereal ad icons. Why do I need a freaking Bowie knife to get into this? Okay, it's gonna be fine. Ad icons, man, they are super popular pop line. A super popular pop line. And they usually have really high prices, which is why I think most people like them. I like them for the nostalgia. Ooh, and it's all blacked out. I'm not gonna feel around. I just wanna, who do we got first? Woo, Count Chocula. So he's a little kawaii, ain't he? Those big old eyes. So we got Count Chocula starting the lineup off. Let's see what we got next. Okay, I really do have to use a knife. I think this is a really cool set. And I'm really interested because there's a Mr. Owl from the Tootsie Pop brand. And we haven't seen a Tootsie Pop Owl. Like, this is everything in here. I really want Boo Berry. I want Mr. Owl. And I definitely want Fruit Brute. But they haven't made a pop of him yet. So this will be super interesting to see if they do one now. No, what? Get out of here. So I don't know if you guys, I can't remember if I've said this before, but when I have extra mystery minis or pops or other Funko products or collectibles, I give them over to my mom and she takes them. She works at a pediatric doctor's office. I'll leave it at that. And so I donate the duplicates to them. So I'm not terribly sad when I get stuff like this. Woo, Yummy Mummy! Look at him! Oh, I'm so happy about this. Look at that. We got Yummy Mummy. So I'm not terribly upset when I get duplicates because that means it goes to the kids. I feel good about that. My mom tells me about the stories when the kids get them. Like when we did the Scar chase game, we got 4 boxes, I think, and I gave 3 of those scars to my mom to give to the kids. So some kid went in there for a procedure or a checkup. Oh my gosh, can't open this one. And walked out with a $30 pop. So if I was a kid going in there, I would have been super happy about that. All right, let's see what's next. Can we get Fruit Brute, please? Fruit Brute, please? This one feels heavy. Is this? Nope, it's not. Oh, it's the metallic. Okay, so here's the exclusive. You can't get this in the normal version of this box. This is a metallic green giant, and I'm a huge sucker for metallic variants. So this is very cool. All right. Okay, cool. So I got Yummy Mummy. Honestly, what is Yummy Mummy? Yummy Mummy is 1 in 24. Okay, we've gotten 2 1 in 6s, 1 1 in 12, and 1 1 24. Come on, Fruit Brute, let's do it. Fruit Brute, do it. If not, I'll buy more. You know what? I never found, so I love Looney Tunes. Oh, we got Sprout. Oh, look, he's going to go nicely with his papa. Boom. I never got the Warner Brothers Walgreens set. I really want Roadrunner, Wile E. Coyote, and Pepe Le Pew, but I never found them in stores. I found one store that got them in, but somebody opened all of them like big jerks. If you go into stores and you open these checking to see what you got, Mr. Owl! You're human filth, just for the record. And I have no regrets saying that, and I never will. Look at Mr. Owl. He looks really nice. Ooh, he's got a donk. Here in Texas, we call that a honky-tonk, but donk-a-donk. So he looks really cool. I'm really happy. So I got 2 of the ones that I really wanted. Fruit Brute is a 1 in 72. So if I don't get it, I understand. It's not a guaranteed thing. But I'll also be I got the Chase Trunks, okay? Okay, quick, don't get all grabby. What is this? Oh, okay, this is King Ding Dong. I didn't make that up, okay? That's his name. And he has a beautiful scepter and he looks like a hockey puck. All right, we got King Ding Dong coming in hot. King Ding Dong. I'm 7, okay? I'm basically 7. Can we... Okay. Call that a knife? Now this is a knife. You know, we need Crocodile Dundee pops. I've only ever seen the first one. I know there's several movies? And I don't even know the premise of it. Don't even know the premise of it. I just know that one line. All right. Next up. Who do we got? Who do we got? Who do we got? I can't tell by feeling. Kool-Aid Man? Oh, we got Burger. Wait. Big Boy. I was about to say Burger Boy. They're making a new Burger Boy. Building one next to my house. All right. That's pretty cool. I wish I had the original pop where he's serving up the burger, but that one's like a very limited piece. He looks really nice. These came out really clean. Sometimes the mystery minis have like extra paint on them, or they're really badly made. These are really high quality, so good job, Funko. And before I use this knife to cut it open, I stab the trunks that's over here. I would cry on camera. All right. Next up. Come on. Fruit Brute. Let me, if you guys got some of these, tell me how you made out with your polls. Who's this? Oh, cool, we got Lucky. All right, wait, is Trix Rabbit in this one? You can focus, I believe in you. What, you're seeing all the Yu-Gi-Oh stuff in the background? Look, he's got Lucky Charms in his hand. Aw, and his spoon. He looks so cute with his rosy cheeks. All right, we got 3 more. Have we gotten anything fantastical? Like King Ding Dong's 1 in 12. We haven't gotten to 1 in 36 yet. If we got Boo Berry... Oh, wait, no! Sprout is a 1 in 72. I didn't even know that pulling him out. So, we're not getting a Fruit Brute. I don't think it's possible to get 2 1 in 72s. Okay, well, Boo Berry. That's what I'm pulling for. Boo Berry. I guess I'm going to have to buy a Fruit Brute. That's okay. I won't be mad. I won't be mad. We got a 1 in 72, okay? And I really like to add icons. I'd like to find a shadow box to display them in. My mom actually got one at Michael's for the ones that she collects. Ooh! We got Frankenberry. Dude, if we finish this out with a Boo Berry, that would make my life. Look at Frankenberry. I really like the OG Monster Cereal minis. These are super cool. So far, we've only gotten 1 dupe. I feel like we're due for a dupe. Oh, wait. Woo, I just booped the camera. Are there any other 1 in 36s? Oh, there is Fruit Pie Magician, I think his name is. I accidentally ate some plastic. Please excuse me my poor manners. All right. Okay, I think this one's Kool-Aid Man. I couldn't help but feel it. Come on, Kool-Aid Man! Oh, yeah. Okay, so we got Kool-Aid Man. This guy looks pretty good. How you doing, Kool-Aid Man? You want to focus first, huh? You want to come say hi? They just made him into a pop. So, all right. Last one. Comment section down below. What do you think it's going to be? Can't be Fruit Brute. Doubt it. I have heavy doubts. Now, if this is Boo Berry, though. Oh, I just stabbed the top of the box. Can we just... Ugh. You need an adult, all right? If you're going to open these, I advise adult supervision. Get somebody older who can hold knives. I don't think I'm allowed to anymore. Who's this? We got the big boy. All right. So how close was I? Hold on. I just threw everything. So we need Fruit Pie Magician. We need Fruit Brute. We need Boo Berry, and we need Twinkie the Kid and Bazooka Joe. We did pretty well for one case. I mean, Yummy Mummy was my number 2, so I can't even be upset about that. We got the metallic green giant. That's pretty cool. All right, let's get into the last capsule core. And yeah, I appreciate all the support, guys. You've been thebomb.com. And if you like this Funko content, we need to start talking about doing some videos where I don't buy stuff because I'm running out of products to buy that I want. Woo! So before we reveal this and see what the second capsule core box has, leave a like on the video if you enjoy this content. Subscribe to the channel if you've not already. I bring Pokemon and Funko content on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 4 p.m. Central Time and Sundays at 12 p.m. Central Time, respectively. Follow me on Twitch if you haven't already. I'm streaming Friday through Monday, and I'm doing Minecraft and Pokemon right now, so it's really exciting. I appreciate all your support. Let's see what the last one is. Ba-da-da! We got the regular one. Okay, so even all said and done, I got the chase. I got a 1 in 72 mystery mini. And yeah. That was a good video, guys. Check out the chase next to the common one. God, I can't wait. I'm going to put this into a protector real fast. But That's all I got for today. Hope you guys have an awesome day. Later!